Hi, everybody. Welcome to our vlog. Today, we're going to talk about accounting programs for small businesses.
In our vlog, we post things for small business owners through our YouTube channel. So if you like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today, the accounting programs for small businesses. This is a question that a lot of people come to us with when they've kind of outgrown their Excel files that they may have been keeping in the past, right? So what do you see in your business?
Yeah, so a lot of small businesses, they try to start off simply by using, some sort of an Excel or summary sheets or, something to kind of start recording the activity of the business. So, your income, expenses, all that stuff. And then eventually, or at some point, you may get to a point where you need something better. You need something more organized, more robust. The Excel files just are getting too large, or you just need a lot more detail.
Yeah, and then you can see the detail that each transaction was for, so that you have a better understanding. You also can track like your vendors and your customers in these accounting softwares, much more easily than in an Excel sheet.
Right. So an accounting software is really just a software used to track the financial results of your business. So all the different transactions, whether your customer invoices, your expenses, your banking activity, loan activity, credit card activity, all of that stuff in one software, tracking all of that activity.
Yeah. And so some of the software out there, we're going to name a couple of those. First, the most popular is QuickBooks. And then there is Xero.
Yep.
And
Xero, Freshbooks, Wave. So those are some, like, four of the top ones that we've seen in with our clients.
Yeah, absolutely. And those price structures for each of those subscriptions they range. So it really does depend, one, on how robust the system is, what kind of reporting are you getting out of it, what reporting do you need to get out of it, and how much customer support do they have with those programs. And some of the newer programs are less expensive or even have a free version.
Yeah, so each of these programs have all their different bells and whistles, and what you are looking for within your business is see which one matches up with what your needs are. Like, for instance, Wave is a free program, but as you can understand, you get what you pay for, right? It's not very robust, but for a very, very simple business, it can work. They make their money through selling other types of products within their service.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I think that's very similar to some of the other softwares where they provide merchant services, or they provide, obviously for a fee, payroll.
Yep.
Being able to run and remit payroll through their platform. These are all types of services that are kind of in addition to the basic accounting software.
Right. And a lot of, like, QuickBooks and Xero and some of these other ones will have a lot of different other apps that can be used in conjunction with the accounting software. And these different apps may have different types of capabilities, such as like a more robust inventory, job costing system, or different types of programs. So.
Yeah. So some of the things that I would say a small business owner would need to look out for when they're trying to determine what program is best for them is, well, first of all, what kind of entity are you? Some of these programs will only capture the profit and loss, or don't do a very good job at tracking the balance sheet, which is like your assets and your liabilities and things like that. So, making sure that you have a full software, so balance sheet, and income statement is very important. And then what do you think are some of the other things that a small business owner might want to watch out for?
Yeah, well, you want to make sure that all of these are set up to be used, uh, get set up quickly, get started quickly, but having a little bit of an accounting, basic understanding of accounting will help you get started on these, because they're easy to get set up, but they're also easy to kind of get messed up pretty quickly. So if you have a basic accounting understanding, you don't have to have a 4-year degree, but just some sort of basic understanding will help you make that transition into the accounting software much smoother for you.
Yes, I have seen clients that have done a great job at trying to get their books set up. Also do a good job at trying to enter all of the data. So a lot of these programs will have some sort of link between the software and the bank. So you want to make sure that that's being done, but they kind of miss the boat, or the client misses the boat in how they're recording the expenses and how they're recording the income, where they could fall into a trap of either not capturing all of the transactions because they're not following maybe all of the steps with the bank reconciliations, or the bank had a hiccup on their side and some transactions may have not downloaded into the software.
Right. You see it all the time where there's duplicate expenses, or vendors have been paid, or your customers have paid and they're not getting credited right. So there can be all kinds of mishaps within the use of the software. So doing some sort of introductory course or class with software, or there's lots of different videos and instructions out there to help you get started, help guide you.
That's great. So today we talked about the what kind of software there is out there for accounting softwares. We also talked about things to look out for and some of the pitfalls that are associated with getting a new accounting software. If you like this blog, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we will continue to post very important information for small business owners. Take care.
Thanks, everyone.